Chenoweth is the new Civil Liberties Alliance president, and Megan Lapp, Seafreeze Fisheries, who we have enjoyed getting to know over the years as this case has been working its way through the process. So, Mark, could you give us your initial reaction?
Yeah, so it looks like the court predominantly decided this based on the Administrative Procedure Act, which is a 1946 law where Congress told the Supreme Court that it needed to use its own independent judgment to interpret statutes. And somehow, back when Chevron was decided in 1984, the court had ignored that or glossed over that or hadn't given effect to that. And Chief Justice Roberts says that that was a mistake, and that stare decisis, this theory that you should leave decided decisions alone, doesn't justify leaving Chevron in place, in part because it's proved so unworkable in practice.
And Megan, you have been a tireless advocate for your business, your industry, your workers. Your thoughts this morning?
I'm ecstatic. We finally have a level playing field. American citizens finally have the same rights in court as the United States government. And that's huge. And that's going to make a huge difference in our industry and in every industry going forward. I mean, thank God for New Civil Liberties Alliance, because if it wasn't for them, we couldn't have afforded to go to the Supreme Court. We couldn't have fought that all the way up. But now we're actually going to have a shot at winning in a lower court going forward. And that's tremendous.
And just to, Megan, make clear for everybody here, this case deals with the challenges to the federal mandate requiring Atlantic herring fishermen to carry inspectors on their boats, and that you had to pay for it, basically. And that's how it all starts.
Right. Yes. What happened was we're required to take federal fisheries observers on our boats, but the federal government is required to pay for them. They wanted to expand their program, but they didn't have appropriations from Congress to do so. So they said, well, the fishing industry can pay. And the cost burdens were tremendous. And this decision today is really going to claw back that power for agencies to just do what they want.
Well, this is pretty remarkable. Thank you so much for being with us here.